Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project and this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing with part 2 lock kit assembly, and this is from Spark Minda brand, and they manufacture lock set, small indicator switch and other mechatronic components and many other for automotive industries. And this is the lock kit. It consists of the ignition switch one number, the fuel tank cap one number, steering lock one number, that is side lock, and toolbox lock, that is side panel, which we saw the unboxing in part 1, and key 2 numbers. This is common with Samurai and Shogun, and the pricing is rupees 930 and the brand is like a Delhi based company, and this is 2024 Jan pricing. It may vary depending upon the supplier, dealer and distributor. And this is the entire kit. Inside it has the components which I read before, and this is the side panel lock, that is 2 numbers, it would be there. And second, it comes with the side lock separately, and this is a side lock, and this is common with the Max 100, my previous project, the first project. And second one is also the side panel lock, and third one is the main ignition lock. This is also common with Max 100, and there are 2 types in Max 100, that is with center type side lock system that was introduced in 2003, I think. That has only 2 systems, that is one for the ignition and one for the tanks lock. That's all, and these are all the additional things because in addition to that the panel locks are added. And this is the tank which comes with 2 screws. This is not common with the Max 100. There you can completely take the lock set, but here they are screwed with 2 screws. And these are all the entire thing, and see you in next video.